Search has become our way of life. Look up, learn, buy, book, order, do what you may. Turn to Sharekhan and you will find the whole idea of search a notch up. You can even trade or invest directly in shares or invest in mutual funds through the search bar. Smart, isn't it? We call it rightly so. It's smart and easy and works on multiple platforms. Smart Search allows you to look for mutual funds as per the fund name as well as the categories and subcategories. Select the scheme that you'd like to check all the fund details to make a sound decision to go ahead. Log in and invest if the fund seems promising. If you're not looking for mutual funds and want to invest directly in shares, go right ahead. Smart Search works just the same for equities and derivatives as well. You can view information, charts as well as trade right from the Smart Search bar. Smart Search also offers an even simpler way to trade or invest in shares. Here's how. Start by first typing in whether you want to buy or sell. Next, select the exchange, followed by the script name you want to invest in. Finally, just type in the quantity of the shares and enter the price you want to buy or sell at. Hit enter and finish the transaction. In this way, Smart Search helps you save time when you are looking for things on the Sharekhan website, the Sharekhan app, and the desktop platform. Happy investing! Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.